Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at ripstick wheel again. Okay, so what seemed to have happened is I replaced this wheel literally 5 days ago, and look, it's already falling apart, literally coming off. This side's not super bad, but if you look at this side, it's coming off the thing, it's falling apart. So this shouldn't be happening after 5 days of use, and as you can see, when I turn it, it goes at like a weird angle. Whereas compared to the front one, so I will be contacting Razer, telling them because it really shouldn't be happening. And this is the second time. If you look at this, which is what the wheels came in, you can see right here it says copyright 2017. So that shouldn't be happening. And on the wheel it says Razer USA LLC, Guangdong, China. Sorry if I said that wrong. 2011-06. So that's probably June 2011. So on here it says 2007. Here it says 2011. So these are old, and and this website doesn't exist anymore. But these are sold from their website. So this shouldn't be happening. Hopefully this new one lasts more than 5 days. But I am going to contact them. And so what you do to take it off, it's fairly easy. You just turn opposite ways. And as you can see, see, it just unscrews. And it's kind of annoying to take off, especially it was like solid and stuck in there. And both sides unscrew, so make sure you unscrew both sides. And this side just pops out eventually. That side pops out, this side pops out. So here, let's take a closer look at this wheel. So on this side, doesn't look like too much, but if you look on this side, it's coming apart. The wheel isn't centered. You can tell the wheel is not centered. This should not have happened. And so to put this one on, so you can see, hopefully I got this one in frame. And to put this one on, all I need to do is put it on. All right, so I'm gonna pause there and get it set up, and then I'll come back. All right, so we're back. I was noticing that it was getting kind of dark, so I turned on the flashlight so you can see better. But you can see it's like totally coming apart. If I run it, you see how it's doing that weird stuff. Whereas compared to this, my fingers on the gears. See, it just looks normal. So this definitely shouldn't have happened. So now what I'm going to do is put it back. So on this side, this will screw into that, but this just goes through, and then washer on each side. So this part's kind of annoying. On this side, I have to get a washer on that. Pop this in. Get that through. And on this side, I have to get a washer in. And it's kind of hard to get in. That happens. It's a lot, really annoying. Come on. So what I did last time is I just turned the whole thing sideways. And I just kind of slid it in. All right. So we got it in, and now we just can I recommend you kind of manually screw it in for some of it, because it's just a lot quicker. And then you can start screwing it in like this. And now it's and so as you can see, this new one looks a lot newer, but hopefully it doesn't get worn down so much in literally 5 days. I'll have the other video linked in the top right, so you can see the other one in the top right on the card section. There's also some of my other videos will be there. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can either click this red button below, or click the subscribe here thing in the description, or in the middle, kind of right around here, will be a little subscribe icon, and click there to subscribe. Over here, top left, playlist, bottom right, video YouTube recommends, and the bottom left, video YouTube recommends, and the bottom right will be subscribe. You can only click those if you're on a desktop there. Put that back, contact Razor. I'll post some discussion and maybe make a new video talking about what they did. So if you want to know how they handled it, that's how. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.